So friends, this is the scooter which I'll be taking. It's about 60 kilometers from here, and I always wear a helmet. So here I am carrying my lunch with me, and it's a very old one. This scooter is very old, but I hope I can take it for 60 kilometers. And this is my backpack with my camera and water bottle and everything. So guys, I hope you'll enjoy this ride. Do stay with me. It will be a beautiful ride to the countryside. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy. So friends, I started my ride. Actually 15 minutes back I started, but the roads were very bad because of the monsoon. But this is a highway which, if you go straight, you go straight to Andhra Pradesh. So this is the highway which I took. It's a beautiful road if you ask me. There is no potholes, nothing. And I am driving for last 10 to 15 minutes and it's so beautiful. And I carried my own lunch. I prepared, actually the lunch was prepared by me. That is Hyderabadi biryani. So I'll be sharing this lunch with my friend from Pulicat. His name is Punarasan. So let us hope to meet him also. So there are beautiful lakes on the way. I cannot stop here, but when we move around, it's a beautiful place. A lot of greenery and all that. So, but the traffic is not that much how it used to be in Mumbai and all that. But it's comfortable ride. For me, it was a really comfortable ride. I was riding slowly because I can move around and look around, and I enjoy the scenery and the weather and everything. So the first major town which I saw on the way is Poneri. Poneri is a small town, and I saw some beautiful garlands here, flowers, ladies selling flower and all that. So I stopped to take a video of this. And this is the town, how it looks from here. And it is actually cloudy today. And the green bus which you see is the state transport bus. So that's the city transport bus. That's about this place. So friends, I was just going through the village to Pulicat, and what I saw here is Rangoli. I remember this when I showed a video. In the video I showed how the Rangoli is done. So here are the colors. So these are the sand colors which are used, and also he is selling some garlands here. Then there is a vegetable shop here. Lot of vegetables. There's green mint, tomato, onions, potato. All fresh vegetables I can see here. And this is the village, how it looks. Actually it's not a village, it's a small, I feel it's a small town. There are some more shops, flower shops here, you can see. So that's the beauty of this place. Friends, as I was going through the market, I saw something burning here, and I came here to see what it is. And this guy, and the pair in the Kamal, no, pair Ganesh. So Mr. Ganesh is doing something, and this I used to see when I was very young in my place in Mumbai. So he's joining some. This is gold, eh? Gold, eh? So this is gold, and he's making some designs and design, eh? Na?
Design Kerala one.
Kerala design. Oh, so I'll just take it close. Guys, can you see that? What he's doing with one pipe? He's having a pipe in his mouth, and he's blowing the fire on that, so that it will be precise. So this is how they do it. So you can see how they join how they make the design. I'll just take it close. This is the way they do it. This is an art which is being practiced for so many years, thousands of years, and he's doing so beautifully. So yesterday the one is over, he has taken the second one, and just see how he's holding it and how he's. Very interesting. This is all his things which he is using it, and there is some coal also here and so many things, and he's having the puja area also. So friends, this is very interesting what I saw today. You can see how he's doing that. Guys, from here I was just proceeding. You can see a beautiful rangoli here, and there is a goddess, and here there is a tailor who does alteration. So that's about this area. So beautiful, and this guy is selling colors here, sandpaper. So this about this village. So friends, as I was passing through this village, I saw two old ladies, and what they are doing, this is the coconut leaves, and they are making a broom from that. So most Indians, they use a broom, and see how she is doing it. You can see here, she is cutting the middle stick out of the leaves, so that you can do a broom. And there is a cow there. It's a calf. So it's a calf over there, and this is the way they live here. So that's their house inside, and there is a field behind that. Friends, after seeing those old ladies, I just moved little further, and what I saw is this one. So you can see this is an ant hill. So this is an ant hill, and very surprised to see this, such a big one. It's more than my height. It must be 6 feet, 6 or 7 feet. So they are doing some puja with that, a religious thing, something like that. So that's here, and a beautiful house here, and every house, in front of every house you can see rangoli. Even that house there, you can see. I'll just zoom it here. You can see a rangoli over there. Can you see, friends? So that's about this village. So friends, this is Pulicat, Pulicat Lake, and what you see is a fisherman, and they are ready to go in the sea. What you see here, and this is the lake. That's I think that's a fish market. So friends, as I saw from the bridge, it looks like a fish market, and I came down and I saw it's really a fish market. And this small town has a small fish market, and because it's very close to the sea, many people, their staple food must be fish. So these are the dried ones, and here there is another lady selling some dry fish. So actually I had shown you a fish market in Chennai, but this is kind of what you see from out is completely different. And Lot of ladies over here. So you can see different type of fish. But what I showed you in that earlier video, I see the same fish here. There are kingfish. Then yeah, there is a kingfish. Then Indian red snapper is there, and there are so many others. You can see this is the mouth of the river. The sea is little ahead of this. So I'll be going there if I get the chance. That's the bridge where I showed you, from where I showed you this fish market. So a lot of buying and selling going on. You can see, you can listen to the commotion, and also there is some auction going on. Not much fish, but people are there who are now here. This lady is selling. She wants to sell this fish, so there are people waiting for them, and they are auctioning it. I couldn't understand because it was in Tamil, so I couldn't much understand anything. Just taking you around. You enjoy this small fish market. So everywhere I get the smell of the fish. It's not that clean like the Chennai one. The Chennai one was really very clean. I really appreciate the people who kept it clean, and the government. So let me move out now. So friends, what you see, these fishermen are coming back. That's they are returning back to their home after fishing, and they are coming back to the. It looks like a backwater, and here there's another fellow coming, and I think they have not caught a lot of fish, but few of them. So friends, you can see the lighthouse. So that's a Pulicat lighthouse, and we are entering Pulicat. Actually, the town is on this side, and we are crossing over to the village. My friend will be waiting for me, Punarasan. You met him in my earlier video. You have seen him in the fish market. So he has invited me, and he will be showing me his this small place, and we will be taking a boat ride to the sea. And I hope you will enjoy this. Please do share and like. If you love my videos, please subscribe. Thank you very much.